Hello everyone, my name is Sendy Sempai and today we are going to make a easy to make DIY face mask. You all know the situation we are living in. The infection is everywhere and there are no face masks in the shops available. So if you have fabric, please try to make your own face mask. For this project, we only need 3 pieces of fabric. Here I have 2 pieces of plain fabric and 1 piece of flannel, and my flannel will go in between the layers. Your fabric should measure at least 18 centimeters in width and 23 centimeters in length. The first thing we will do is to take one of our fabrics with the flannel and fold it in the middle. As soon as we have done that, we will use our measuring tape and measure from the fold. We will measure 3 centimeters inwards, and on the other side we will also measure 3 centimeters. And that's where we will place our pleat. We will use pins on the 3 centimeters. Pin it. On the other side, we will do the same thing. And when we open it up, we will form a pleat. Open it so it can form a pleat. Take another pin, place it to hold the pleat down on one side, and then on the other side place another pin. So you have created your first pleat. The next thing we will do is to form the other pleat on the other side of the fabric. As soon as you have done that, you will see that you have created a pleat in the middle of your fabric. Do the same thing for the other piece of fabric. As soon as we finish pleating our second piece of fabric, then it's time to place our elastic band. Make sure you use the thinnest elastic band you can find. My elastic band is 18 centimeters long. We will place our elastic band in the corner. Make sure you leave space so you can stitch the sides. Put a pin in. And then turn your elastic band to the next corner. Make sure it goes the right way. Place the second elastic band to the other side of your face mask. As soon as you have pinned your elastic bands, then we will place the 2 pieces of our face mask with the right sides together. After that, we will sew around but we will leave a little opening. Pin the two pieces together, and I will place 2 pins where I will leave my opening. And this opening will be used to turn our face mask. As soon as we have finished pinning our face mask, we will go and start sewing the sides of our face mask. We will leave an opening so we can turn our face mask. Let's go to the sewing machine. When you start stitching, make sure you back stitch. As you turn the corner, stop with your needle in the fabric and turn your fabric. When you finish, also backstitch. As soon as we are done stitching, then we will remove all of the pins that we're holding our fabric together. Okay, the pins have been removed, so let's turn our face mask to the right side. Remove the pins that we're holding your elastic bands in place. Be careful while doing this. Use the elastics to pull out your corners and bring your face mask back in shape. The next thing we will do is to sew around the sides of our face mask so we can close this opening. Let's go back to the machine. As soon as you are finished sewing the sides of your face mask, give them a good press, and this is how your DIY face mask will look like. It might look small, but when you open it up, you'll have a good face cover. Try to make them for your family and friends, and if you know people need them, please help out and stay safe out there. Till the next time, bye.